Greetings and congratulations to the class of 2021. I'm Cyrus Shahabi, Chair of Computer Science Department, and I am delighted to have this opportunity to share my congratulations with you, the amazing class of 2021. What a long, strange trip it has been. But nothing can take away from your achievements, your lifelong friends, the relationships you have made with your professors, all of your hard work, often late into the evenings. And of course, this monumental accomplishment, your graduation. First, I simply want to thank our graduates. I have always believed that success should be measured not only by someone's achievements, but by the obstacles they have had to overcome. And considering what you have gone through over the past year, you have all been role models. In this stressful time, you came together, supported each other, helped each other, and here we are now celebrating together. In different countries, from cities small and large, how you handle this is simply remarkable. It's wonderful to see. Now as vaccinations rolls out and we look towards the future, let's consider what the world will need from you as you leave USC. The world you are graduating into is remarkably different than the one you knew when you started your studies, or even the one we knew before January 2020 for that matter. And there's good reason to think that even after the pandemic ends, we will never completely go back to life as we knew it. This traumatic global event will essentially demand that every country, every people, rethink and reimagine almost every aspect of daily life. How we live, how we work, how we move around, and how we share information. Engineers will be needed for every aspect of that adaptive transformations, and computer scientists in particular are uniquely suited for this undertaking. After all, we were sheltering in place long before it became necessary for the rest of society. We can stay inside for days, working around the clock, and not emerging until we have an answer to the problem. Let's face it, we were built for this challenge. Besides sharing that unique trait, USC computer science students can point to a remarkable array of exceptional academic achievements that make up a compelling case that you're more than capable of meeting every challenge expected of you. In the past year, our students working with professors have been modeling and predicting the toll of COVID-19, developing privacy-first contact tracing technology, and identifying misinformation on social media. Beyond the pandemic, our students and graduates are continually making an impact through their research, reimagining the technology for people with disabilities, building connective tissues in 3D printed organs, and analyzing data from wearables to help people with cancer. They're also using AI, artificial intelligence, to find innovative ways to fight climate change, tackle hate speech and hate crime, and creating apps that help refugees learn new skills. And this is just the tip of the iceberg. Every graduating class leaves USC knowing that there is a world out there that desperately needs its contributions. But the demands for your particular skills, your insight, your drive and passion are at this very moment the highest they've been in generations. The threat to our collective well-being, particularly for the most vulnerable amongst us, will not be cured by vaccines alone. The need for you, for all that you can do, is high right now. We will take all that you can give us, all your time, all your knowledge, all your tireless dedication. More than ever, this is your moment, your generation's world to shape. If you give the world everything you have to offer, and if you take all that you've learned here at USC and apply it to this new world you are graduating into, I have complete faith that we will not only get through this challenging time, but become even better as a society, more inclusive, more generous, more equitable than ever before. You are the class who has to face this challenge, and you are the ones who will solve it. The world is yours now, and I can't wait to see what you make of it. Last but not least, I want to celebrate all of the families here today. You are the reason this day exists. You have been supportive, helpful, present, and everything that happens from this day forward will happen in large because of you. So thank you. Once again, congratulations to every single one of you, and fight on.